So you're wondering if TaskRabbit is actually legit and if you can really make money doing tasks. I was too. I decided to put it to the test, signing up for everything from furniture assembly to grocery runs. Honestly, the variety is crazy, and I was surprised by how many people actually need help with everyday things. Within my first few weeks, I was consistently pulling in around $200 a week, sometimes even more depending on the demand in my area. I landed a few gigs assembling IKEA furniture, which is surprisingly common, and also did some waiting in line for people, which felt a little weird at first, but hey, it paid. The app makes it easy to set your own rates and hours, which was a huge plus for my flexible schedule. Ultimately, is TaskRabbit legit? Absolutely. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but if you're looking for a flexible way to earn some extra cash, build up that side hustle, or just need some extra income, it's definitely worth a try. Just be prepared to put in the work and offer reliable service.